Hey, hi people, how are you? Please confirm am I audible or and am I visible? Am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Damodar. Good morning.
Very good morning, Suresh Garu. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How about the students and all the faculty members?
Uh, all are good and
So can I
all are good.
like
All are
am
good.
I
Just give us a
uh,
minute. This will be
sure, sure, no problem.
Yeah.
So once you are ready, just ping me so that I can start my session.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sure. Thanks.
Join meeting. Madam, leave on us. Where are
Hi sir, how are you?
Hello, Damodar. Good morning.
Very good morning, sir. How are you today?
Hello.
Am I audible, sir, now?
Good morning. How are you? Thank you.
My
Yeah,
pleasure, my pleasure.
yeah.
I'm fine,
Damodar,
sir.
at the outset, I'm really thank you for coming online for the session.
My
Yeah.
pleasure, sir,
At
and
the
thanks
outset,
for
I
all
would
the.
like to introduce you to the community over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dear all. So we are on behalf of KG Reddy College Career Guidance Cell. We've
Mm-hmm.
been organizing the alumni talk series. Like
Okay.
we've been inviting the alumni, those who are doing good in their career, and coming online and talking to the present students and the other leadership in the campus to
Mm.
share their views and enlighten us about the industry trends and expectations, how we can prepare, and their experience sharing. Those little words might be inspiring to the current generation students and the inspiring to the, all of us. So, with this intention, we have invited Damodar, who is our alumni. He was very good student when he was studying here and very obedient in all the training programs. And now he made his career in the best US-based company. And I have clearly seen the change and the clarity in the communication, the how he speaks now and the way he was speaking earlier. That's great change I can observe. So, and at the same time, it is very important for all of us to know about the current trends in the industry now. And being students, we need to understand how we need to approach the industry, how we need to make our career. And it is very important for all of us to listen from the people those who are already in the industry. So, I hope this session is going to be a very useful for all of us, and the great inputs might come to the leadership over here because we are trying to understand the industry trends and the behavioral aspect concept of the today's session itself, industry expectations and the behavioral aspect.
Yeah.
So with this small note of introduction, I really thank Damodar for coming over here, and we thank the career guidance and Page Rating Quadri for organizing this meet. So over to Damodar Garu. So Damodar Singh will be talking for 20 minutes, sharing his views on the topic, mention the industry expectations, the career behavioral aspects. You can ask the question. Damodar will be giving answers on this. And finally, at the end of the session, I have already invited the mechanical department HOD, Kalpana Madam, also to be part of this session. And the Suresh sir is the coordinator.
Actually, hello, am I audible? I lost you, sir. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Hello, am I audible? Can you please kindly confirm? Yeah, thank you so much, Daniel Garu, for giving a brief introduction about me. And I really appreciate the kind of initiative that you have taken, for the students so that they can enrich their thoughts and they'll also be aware like what industry is looking up for and what aspirations that industry is expecting from the young minds, so that whenever already a person who is being delivering in their domains, putting a session would be really helpful for the young aspirants who is dreaming for IT roles or software engineer roles, any analyst roles. So that would be a really great initiative from the team KGR set, and I really thank Suresh sir and Daniel Garu for bringing up your Himi and also interacting with all the people, all the students over there. It's been so long days by interacting you all, but I feel really pleasure to meeting you all and interacting with the students. Yeah, so I want to give a quick introduction about myself so that students can also be aware of me, like they can also relate me. So here I'm joining Damodar Wakamulla, and I have done my bachelor's of engineering in mechanical engineering, in KJ Reddy College itself. Then later I did I was into complete interior designing domain, where I was worked as an interior consultant and design expert for 1 long year. Then due to analytics, my interest towards analytics, then I have joined into Loyalty Juggernaut, which is an a product based company which is situated in US, and we are operating in all over the India. Then followed by we are operating in other multinational countries as well. So my particular role is I'll be completely handling the loyalty management system for Loyalty Juggernaut. I'm working for the client called Shaloop, which is a Shaloop. It's a Middle East company where we are we are working for nearly 30 million dollars for Shaloop, and I'll be handling 10 million people uh, in Shaloop, managing all the loyalty programs and all for the Shaloop. So this is what my quick introduction about my journey in Loyalty Juggernaut. So far I'm clear. I think am I clear? Uh, am I clear? Can you please confirm so that I can really proceed with further proceedings? Hello.
You're clear.
Yeah,
Mr.
sure.
Damodar, you're clear.
Yeah, that's what I'm just expecting, an interactive session so that I can also go forward. Yeah, sure. Then we'll start quick with the industry
Yeah,
expectation.
correct. But majority of the students have joined from, yeah, Damodar students have joined from the YouTube.
Okay, okay.
So
Oh, no problem. Actually, I was expecting the students
yeah.
there
So
in there.
if any
Yeah,
questions are there, I'll take a part.
sure, no problem. Thank you, Suresh Garu, for that. Yeah,
Sure.
so I just wanted to continue now further. Um, so I just wanted to continue with the industry expectations and all. So students who are aspiring for IT roles, especially nowadays, there we can see a large boom in IT industry, and we can also hear many things like for one IT job there is lot of competition and all. Yes, that is true. But again, I can say one thing for you all: when you're having a good skill set, enough enough communication, enough confidence on the things, and enough problem solving skills, that really makes you to sit in your desk. So here the one main thing is problem solving skills. So I recommend all my fellow students, like my fellow brothers and sisters, like they can really work on problem solving skills, where multinational companies, other all companies will look for this. Problem solving skills is one of the major thing, irrespective of the programming language. That might be Python, that might be Java, that might be C, or any other language. You should be good with the problem solving skills. So once you're good with the problem solving skills, then 50% of your interview process is done. And I recommend to all my fellow brothers and sisters to work upon, like if they are aspiring for IT roles, I recommend them to solve more and more lead code problems. And followed by, you can take any Coursera trainings. Basically, when you're solving more number of problems, no, so that your problem solving skills will be more, and you can really address the question. And one thing I am seeing in in the industry is understanding. So whenever a client is giving their use case and their problem statement, uh, people will not that much clear to understand the problem whatever the client is facing. So therefore the other next good thing which which MNC or with companies are expecting is understanding skills. So whenever a client is been giving the requirement, we need to understand thoroughly, and we need to come up with a good solution basically. So I have mentioned two different skills over here. The first one is problem solving skills, and the second one is understanding skills. Here I don't say like only it is pertaining to the CSC grads or CSM computer science degree students. It can be for every individual, irrespective of their domain. So people will concentrate more on their problem solving skills, understanding skills, and of course communication skills is also very much important, because whenever you are sharing a thought, it must be deliverable to all the people. So obviously communication skills is also plays a very key role in industries, and companies are looking for that basically. So the people, the students who is good with the communication skill, who is good with the problem solving skill, who is good with the understanding skill, people are really looking for them. And one more thing I can mention for career aspirations, that is internships. So you can really work on the internships and followed by projects. So whenever you are doing a real time project, we can address and we can completely relate, and we can deep dive into the problem statement, and we can really work on the problem statement, and we can get a good solution based on that problem statement. So basically this one also be the one of the key requirement that industry is looking for. Basically this whenever the interviews that we are conducting from Loyalty Juggernaut, we are also considering these factors. Whenever a person is been delivering in all this agenda and all these points, then we quickly move forward with that candidate. So therefore I am giving little guidance on this problem solving skills, understanding skills. And when you are having a good project and you are able to explain that project into deep dive and understanding the technical parameters into that, and how efficient we can write a code on that, and how efficient we can provide a solution for the problem statement, that we're also looking from the candidates. Yeah, so that would be one of the another skill set that industry is looking for. And yeah any questions in my thing, you can please raise to me so that I can address on that as well.
Yes, Mr. Damodar, there is one question from one student.
Yeah,
Uh,
sure.
they just want to know
Mm,
the inspiration behind your transition, because you are a mechanical engineering student and
yes.
now you have chosen business analysis, I mean, analyst job.
Yeah,
So they
that's a
want
good
to know
question
what
actually.
inspired you for this transition.
Yeah, that's a good question actually from the student who have been asked. So when I was in a role design expert, so I used to get lot of data from the clients, and from the business perspective as well, from the company perspective as well. So there only I got some analysis skills, and I used to work on reporting things parallelly with the design skills. I used to work with the reports as well. Therefore little igniting took in me, and therefore I constantly worked for for SQL and other programming language, of course Python and Java. Then therefore I completely took a transition into analytics field, and I'm doing good in that particular domain, business analyst role in Royalty Juggernaut. So it doesn't mean like in whichever domain you are, it doesn't matter actually. So the kind of interest you have, and the really what you want to serve and where you want to be, you can really walk into that. So and again understand, if you want to be in that chair, what skill set do you require. So let me go back 1.5 year before, when I was a design expert in Decorpod. So I was completely into tools like AutoCAD and other tools, SketchUp tool and other things. But when I want to get the chair of business analyst role, I want a path where those that path is nothing but SQL, MySQL, and other technical tools that I am going to use. So in order to get into that chair, we need these tools as well. So when I'm constantly working on those tools as well, therefore I have given interview for Loyalty Juggernaut, and I got into placed into Loyalty Juggernaut. So this is what my career translation. So I was little keen about to understand data, and how large set of data can be useful in order to drive the business. Basically I'm a business perspective person, therefore I want to drive the business than seeing the data and working with the data with the closely with all the CEOs and CTOs. So then I got that ignite to work with large data sets, so that we can get some sort of information from the data, and whatever the data I am giving, that can be driving force for my company. I was like in my decor, like I was thinking in that way. Therefore I took this transition that really helped me to drive my business as well in current position. Yeah, that's from my side. And any other question, feel free, friends. Don't see like I'm 3-4 years elder than you. I'm just like your friend. So if you're having any other questions regarding the industry expectations, and so how we need to get into the role, aspiring role, what you're expecting and what in which stage you want to be, kindly ask to me, so that if possible I'll be giving good solutions for you. If I don't know, I'll take answers from my leads and other people, so that I can deliver to you. Might not be today, but someday I'll be giving those solutions for you, and make you comfortable with all the parts that you are looking for.
Sure, Mr. Damodar. That's of great news.
Yeah.
There is one more question.
Mm-hmm.
Students are asking about the time have you spent, because I mean, whether you aspired for mechanic core engineering job or any other job, they're interested to know
I
from
understand.
you.
So, being a mechanical students in core department, so how can you like how did you migrated into IT? So that was the question.
Yeah, that's the question. And the time, have you allocated the time for this progression?
Got it, got it. So basically, I believe this, like whenever you want to achieve something, you need to put more pedals on your cycle, basically. So after your working hours, also you need to work hard. Basically, in our 20s to 28 years, we need to put a lot of effort in order to achieve something. I believe what I believe. So after my working hours, also I used to put some more time in analysis the reports and understanding deep queries regarding SQL and all. So because the aim is clear to achieve that position. So therefore I keep on my pedals hard, and I used to cater some more time into into SQL and all, so that I can be a good position in whatever the company I'm expecting for. So basically I suggest all the people, and once again getting into the chair, don't be stopped from there. Actual game starts there actually. So you need to be striving, you need to be starving as well. Like you need to know the things that what you are doing. So whenever you are know what you're doing, you can deliver good things. So don't be relaxed, I say. So after your working hours, after your 6 also, don't be relaxed. Again, obviously personal time will be there, but like aiming for 1 more hour, 1.5 hour, that will be really helpful for your career growth. What I did actually, so this was my practice which I have did in my design expert role. After my working hours, I used to work for another 1 hour, so that I could be able to sit in this chair now. Yeah, I think I'm getting some question from Santosh, but I'm not able to audible.
Yeah. And right, Mr. Damodar, there is one more question actually they want to ask about what is the right skill set every mechanical student should have.
Okay, the
What's like
mechanical.
top
So
technical skills they are looking? Yeah.
okay. So I just wanted to understand their interest initially. So if they want to see their career growth in their particular domain, if they are belongs to mechanical engineering domain, and here again they want to pursue their career in mechanical engineering, and that too if they are looking for any designing field, that is white collar job, then you can really focus on tools like AutoCAD, CATIA. Then one new tool, the tool called Fusion 360, that would also be helpful for mechanical engineering students who are aspiring to get a job in their domains, basically. and the same time the mechanical engineering student want to take a transition into IT field. Let's say in any IT field, then or any irrespective of the domain, irrespective of the department, people should look for problem solving skills in any of the language. So let's say Java and Python, currently these two are ruling, I can say, Java and Python. So you should be good enough with all the core Java concepts. You can say loops, and for loops, while loops, if statements, conditional statements, and everything. After good with this core Java, you can also go for advanced Java, which includes DSA, data structure algorithm, in which you need to practice hash sets, maps, queues, and all. So when you're having this good enough tech stack, like full idea of Java, then you could be able to develop a project by using frameworks called Spring Boot and Spring MVC architecture. So when you're having good with this good stack, then no one is going to stop you. Yeah, Raju, I think you're asking some question, but again, I'm unable to hear you. Can you please help me, Suresh Garu?
ఏం అడిగాడు ఆయన? ఏది అడిగాడేంటి?
Raju, you have any questions?
Feel free to ask questions, my dear buddies, because one more thing I want to say here. So the more you understand, the more questions you can shoot up for me. So if you're I can and I like, if you're not asking question, that means might be I'm not clear to you, or might be I'm not giving that valuable insights to you. So the more questions you ask, the more enthusiasm I'll also get in order to answer your questions, and that these questions will be really helpful for you, basically, in order to build up your career. Because nowadays it's been like more of competitiveness, so therefore we need to be more attention to detail. So feel free to ask questions. I'm free anyhow for today, so you can ask questions. I can really try to answer your questions so that it would be helpful for your career as well. Yeah. Sorry guys, I thought of preparing a PowerPoint presentation for you all guys, like what all points I wanted to be clear. But again, due to time constraint and other things, I was unable to deliver that for you. But I want to engage all you with my uh, with my points, like whatever I'm discussing. When you're able to hear this and when you're catching these points, that would be really helpful for you all guys in order to pedal up your practice and all.
Yeah, dear students, you can ask questions. If you are typing in a chat, I think Suresh sir will be reading it and asking the questions. Uh, Damodar,
Yeah.
actually, on behalf of the students, I would like to ask one thing.
Sure.
Because I've been observing, especially mechanical students and civil core branch students, they don't show interest in learning the computer-based C language or any computer-based technology to learn initially, right?
Yes.
But at the time of making your career after maybe fourth year or after fourth year of their engineering, they realize that okay, there are some opportunities connected to my mechanical engineering. There are IT opportunities and all, right? So
Yes.
that's how you move to IT also. So,
Exactly.
like, do you suggest even, in fact, we have been mentioning to the students to it is important to understand the basic programming, even though being mechanical.
Exactly.
So, apart from the AutoCAD, CATIA, Pro E, ANSYS, Fusion 360, those are all your, the softwares related to the mechanical engineering, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Uh, so, how far, apart from learning these, what is the phase or what kind of advantages will be there for the students those who have learned programming skills uh, versus directly learning the softwares related to mechanical engineering? So, will there be any advantage or it's not required?
So that's a good question, actually, Daniel sir. So basically, I would be the best example for this because, like, when I was working in a mechanical engineering domain as a design expert, so I used to get lot of data from clients. Then I was not able to segregate the data in an effective way. In order to work with the data, it should be very clean and easy to understand. Therefore, being a mechanical student, I was not able to uh, clean the data as efficient as a CS grad is doing. So so now, as per today's generation, whether you're from a mechanical engineering student or you're from a, electrical, any other core domain student, you should be having some sort of a knowledge about data and other some sort of knowledge about programming language. Let's say, for example, we are getting so much of reports from clients. So here SQL will help you. So SQL, will writing a query, you can really clean the data and you can really fetch the data like whichever columns you need it. So being a mechanical student, writing queries, it's not that much difficult, what I feel. So but during my college days, I was not that much good enough with the SQL. So therefore I felt little, little uh, hard, a little tough to write the queries during my job phase. Though therefore I was habituated to write the queries. Queries are not that much difficult. So it basically, I have learned this skill in my job. So what I suggest to all my fellow mechanical students or core students is nothing but, like, it is good to have it is good to have some technical skills with respect to coding, with respect to querying the DB database. That would be added advantage for you. We never know if we can go into a complete core mechanical engineering domain, and again there you need to work on some sort of reports. It's completely depend on the company requirement. So they can also use you for getting some reports and well. So when you're having this when you're having this writing a query skills, or any programming skills or problem solving skills, it would be really helpful for your career as well. It's nothing but you are not constraining yourself, you're just you're just spreading your wings. This will be really helpful in your career transition as well. Like in my example, the same thing happened with me and it is helped me actually. So when I was writing query in my past days, and it is really helped me to get a job here as well. So I feel every now, as per today's market condition and today's thing, I feel uh, little computer skill, little computer language skill, analysis skills and problem understanding skills are very important for all the students, not only for the core domain students. It is essential for all the people. But I'm saying with for all the mechanical and civil students, that good to have the skills, programming skills, and asking, writing a query, that is really helpful for all the students. It doesn't take much of your time as well, like when you're getting free time, but be consistent on that. When you're getting a free time, you can really work on the queries, and you can really work with the Java or Python. That would be really helpful, and it would be cakewalk for you when you're taking a transition, or when you're looking for a IT domain. Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice explanation, Damodar. Yeah, one more question from my side. I'm a little curious about it because the buzzword is there in the now the AI is taking away the job opportunities, right? Uh, of many replacing so many job opportunities. So when it comes to the mechanical engineering, how this is going to be playing good role, and how do you suggest like mechanical engineering students in which area they have to learn AI, or do you suggest them to learn AI or not? What's your opinion on this AI intervention in mechanical engineering? Am I audible, Damodar? Is he answering?
Damodar?
Hello. Sorry, actually my internet was disconnected. Am I audible now, Daniel?
Yes, you are. Please go ahead.
Sorry, actually my internet got disrupted. So yeah, I'm addressing regarding AI, and AI effective, how AI has been killing jobs in mechanical domain jobs. So I say, like, AI is not killing the complete jobs in market, but AI is reducing the effort. uh, it is basically reducing the effort. So what I say is, when you're having this artificial intelligence skill set, and as well, it would be good enough for an individual to work smart, rather than putting more efforts. Let's say example for Chat GPT. Earlier we used to write mails which will take at least 10 minutes to write a professional mail. Nowadays people are directly prompting in the Chat GPT to get the easy understanding and most professional mail in a seconds. So see, so when you are taking AI into your work and using that in an effective way, that also gives you better opportunities as well. So don't look artificial intelligence AI that it's a liability. To take it as an opportunity to grow yourselves. So be in a positive side. What I say, be in a what I will say, be in a positive way, and understand the tool and work with the tool. You will be familiar and you will be enriching in your journey. Let's say past 20 years back, we never know about internet and all but again now we understand how internet really works, and how the information, it is quick passing in a seconds, in a milliseconds. So that time also people were thinking like we are going to lose our jobs and all. But now the same internet, the same IT, it's being like booming, and it is being shelter for many lakhs of people. In the same way, when you're understanding the AI, when you're incorporating AI into your resume, in your skill set, in your working, that will also lead you to take further opportunities. Being in a positive way, uh, take that AI skill as well, and walk forward, so that you will be a good chair. So, well, any other doubts, you can please shoot it up. And so, if not, then I'll be concluding with my final thing. Like, if any questions, kindly ask me so that I could be helpful for you. Especially, I'm expecting questions from the
One
final year.
last question, Damodar.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah, this question is about your journey as a business analyst.
Yeah,
Okay, and this will help not only for the mechanical but all the student fraternity of BTech and MBA also.
exactly.
Because if I want to become a data and business analyst, what kind of
Yes.
skill set I should have? And anyway, students are in third year now or final year now.
Mm.
So how can they utilize the time to learn those skill set which is required to become a data analyst, business analyst?
Yeah, you can call it as data analyst as well. Like that, there is no not much the difference, but again, there is a slight difference, of course. So I'll be addressing the business analyst. So whoever the aspiring business analyst roles, I'll be sharing quick insights about this role as well. So yeah, so all my suggestions for whoever aspiring for business analyst roles. So I can say this one particular role which is which is very keen role in an organizations like product based companies. So all the product based MNC companies will pay more for business analyst and product analysts as well. So coming to the skill set for the products analyst or business analyst or data analyst is nothing but, so you should be thorough with the SQL queries. I suggest all my fellow brothers and sisters to have a good understanding about queries, SQL queries, and you should be good with these concepts called case statements in SQL. And you can really work on CTEs, uh, and you can work with the joins, especially joins. Really, joins will help you a lot when you're working with the large data sets, and when you're having a good skill set with the Python will also help you to easily drive your job. So these are the two particular rules. And again, so this comes with the, now we'll talk about the visualization tools. So basically our company Loyalty Juggernaut will use Amazon cloud services. So we use Redshift and uh, we use Amazon services. So people can also can also work for can also take a good understanding of Power BI, Microsoft Power BI or Tableau, because these are really helpful for data visualization. So business analyst is all about two major roles and duties. One is analyzing the data and visualizing the data. So analyzing the data really helpful with the tools like when you're having good idea of SQL and other whatever the concepts I have mentioned. And coming to visualization, for visualization, you will have good idea. You need to have good idea about dashboards and other Tableau, Microsoft Power BI. When you're having good skill set on this, you can really get into the chair. So these are the required skill set that people are looking for, business analyst roles. And most importantly, uh, understanding the business, that is also very very important. So when you're understanding the business, when you're understanding the problem statements from the people, and when you're giving the effective solution for the problem, so that's where you'd be a you'd be in a good position in the organization. I say the problem solving skills and understanding skills, as I mentioned, these are really very much priority, and companies are waiting for those skills from new grads.
So that's truly informative, Mr. Damodar. Thank you so much for those valuable insights about the skill sets requirements, not only skill set requirements, but the additional skill sets what every student should have,
Yeah.
whether it is mechanical or any other branch. It's a great. And,
Yes.
last question
Sure. Sure. Sure.
to your fellow yeah, your juniors,
No. Yeah.
students who are not meeting the minimum eligibility criteria which is set by the industry, like whether it is a academic criteria or any other criteria,
Hmm.
how to save their future in their final year, especially to meet the industry requirements.
Hmm. So, yeah, I understood the question. My fellow brother is asking about the eligibility criteria and all. Yeah, obviously, due to the competition and other factors, eligibility criteria is one of the barrier for all the students. Basically, when people are they are aspiring for the IT roles, and during the interview call itself, people are been stopping there at the door itself because of the eligibility criteria. But again, here really your so this is like out of the box, you can really connect LinkedIn connections, so which I tried actually. So when you're connecting LinkedIn is a really very good platform, my dear brothers and sisters, try to utilize that as well. So when you're not getting any opportunities, try to connect with the people of that organization, whichever organization you are planning to, when you're aspiring, try to connect in a LinkedIn, so that then you can get some sort of insights from them. At least you can ask for referrals from them. You can ask referrals, and you can showcase your skill set, like why people want to hire you. So that is the biggest question. Even though you are from the other department, why you are aspiring for this role, and what is the skill set that you are having. So I say is, the skill set is very much important, irrespective of the domain. You might be from chemical engineering department, but you are good enough with the problem solving skills, and when you're having a good understanding skills, and you're able to write a query, or you're able to write a good code, a good understandable code, one chair is waiting for you, my bro.
Uh, Thanks, Damodar. Thanks for the guidance. I think your mates might have received the right information what they are looking forward for.
That's
Uh,
really great. If it would be helpful, then I'll be first person to be happy, because spending good time with all my fellow brothers and sisters, because actually this guidance is actually required for all the young aspirations. And
yes.
uh, and colleges like our college, KGR set, would be I wish it would bridge between the college students and the companies, because might be students are not much aware with the company expectations, and what are the skill set it is required. Here only our college need to work there, and they need to guide their students in order to work on right skill set which are required for the companies and all. So I feel really this is a good initiative uh, from Daniel sir, Suresh sir, as you like, Malaysian sir. Really, this is helpful for students as well, and I feel really good because giving some sort of insights to my college students, that really give me boost as well. Yeah.
Great, great. Uh, Satish sir, from mechanical department, would like to add any points, sir?
Is Satish sir is
Yes,
also there?
yes, Damodar, I am here.
You're very good afternoon, sir. Hope you are doing good
Good
today.
afternoon. Yeah. I'm also very happy to see you after so many days.
My pleasure, sir. Meeting you all guys and giving some sort of insights to all the fellow students. Really thankful for this opportunity as well.
Yes. So first of all, good morning to all. Myself, Satish Singarapu, Associate HOD in the Mechanical Department. So actually today Kalpana Madam, she is the head of the department, not available in the department. So she went to some other work. She is out of the campus. So on behalf of the Kalpana Madam, so I would like to thank Dean Training and Placement Daniel Prabhakar sir and Associate Dean Suresh sir and also Malaysian sir for conducting this session. And the topic which you have selected, Damodar, it is very nice because nowadays the students are not concentrating on the skill set what they require for the placements. So only they are concentrating on the getting pass marks or completing the graduation. But once they completed the graduation, so they are not going to place in any companies. So that is not going to help them. So the topic you are explaining is very helpful then because the industries they are expecting some kind of a skill set from the student. So when they are in the second year, third year, final year, they have to concentrate on the skill set what they require, not to pursue their career in some industries or whatever it may be, software or core industry. So then it will help him, right? So that is what they have to concentrate, all the students, not only mechanical, it is for all the students. As you mentioned that even Suresh sir also he mentioned sometimes the students, they are not able to fulfill the requirements for the placements. The minimum qualifications also they are not able to satisfy when they are attending some kind of placements. So they have to work on from second year and third year onwards so that they can have some good placements in the final years.
Exactly.
With these small concerns, I would like to thank Damodar for sharing your experience and giving your valuable insights to our students. Even I am expecting the future collaborations also with you.
My
Okay,
pleasure.
and happy Damodar.
Pleasure is mine, sir, and thank you for all the things that you have shared. That is also really helpful. And yeah, I wish this collaboration will be there for longer days and longer time. And I wish all my all the department is also well.
Yes, Mr. Damodar. Thank you so much for accepting our request and coming over here.
Pleasure is
And
mine, sir. Thank you
I
so
think,
much.
yes, we would like to invite you for a physical session instead of virtual. So
Sure, sure.
students will get more insightful insights from you. And
Sure.
thank you so much. And thanks to the Department of Mechanical Engineering for the coordination and all the students and participants for your active participation. Thank you, Mr. Damodar. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Navyu. Great day, and thank you once again, Daniel sir, for continuous following up me, and Suresh sir, then followed by Malaysian sir. And I wish all the very best to all the fellow 2025 grads who are really aspiring for a good opportunities in all in a good companies and irrespective of the domains. And I really wish all very good luck for other second year, third year. As Suresh, as Satish sir mentioned, keep on working on your skill set. This marks are essentially important. At the same time, work on other real time skill sets that is bread and butter for you. So really work on those skill set, as I mentioned. Try to work on those skills as well. So I wish really very good luck for all you guys, and I wish you should be keep going on to the big chairs and uh, going good. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, and have a great day, all of you.
Thank you, Damodar.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Signing off
If
then.
possible,
Take care.
please come to campus. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure. So we'll
Thank you
meet.
all.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I'm signing off. Thanks for this time and thanks for being very patient to and listening to me. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.